Welcome to Sunday Drive Consignment Service, the nation's #1 place to buy and sell cool and unique vehicles. Today we have a fantastic opportunity with this 1965 Chevrolet ElCamino for sale. This car has been completely rebuilt down to the single nut and bolt with no expenses spared, and it shows. A real head turner, with every detail of this car being looked after and improved from factory, while still retaining the original Chevy spirit of such an iconic classic utility vehicle. The black polished paint job is as cool as the brand new retrimmed interiors, with leather and vinyl looking elegant and period correct. In the cabin we also find a 4-speed manual transmission, brand new gauges, and the factory dashboard that this model shared together with the 1965 Chevelle. To complete the picture, we have a staggered set of Boyd Coddington wheels wrapped in 225 18-inch at the front and 275 20-inch at the rear. But we haven't even scratched the surface here. At the heart of the beast, there's a massive 427 cubic inch Chevy big block with billet water pump, alternator bracket, power steering, and a dedicated engine bay aeroflow fuel system with vacuum gauge, fuel pressure regulator and rail, leading to a Holley Ultra XP 850 CFM carburetor, MSD ignition, and a brand new aluminum radiator with staggered size fans. The catch can for the rocker covers and the power steering reservoir. Let's have a quick tour now of the utility part of this 65 ElCamino. The rear bed is presented in immaculate condition with new tar seal all over and a tailgate working perfectly without being stuck or jammed. Weekend trips have never been so easy. Let's hear it now. Let's go for a Sunday drive. is now available for viewing at our showroom. Talk to our consignment team today if you're looking at selling any cool or unique vehicles.